In this video, I would like to go through the process of calculating volume of prisms. And this process is going to work for any type of prism. Right now I have a triangular prism drawn for us, but this could work if this was a square, a circle, an octagon. Anything you can find the area to at the beginning will work. So let's look at our process. First thing we want to do is we want to find the area of the base. And the base for this figure, if I would take this figure and stand it straight up, this triangle is now what is resting on the ground. It is the bottom or the base of the figure. And so I've highlighted the triangle in yellow to represent that's going to be our base. To find the area of a triangle, it's 1/2, this 3, times this 4, which is the height. And that answer is 6. And that's going to be 6 square units. So if that was in inches, this would be inches squared. Now I need to do something with this 11. And if you remember, we could take the figure, stand it straight up. This 11 now represents the height of the figure. And so the formula for volume is going to be area of the base times the height. So I'm going to take my answer of 6 and multiply that by 11. And I'm going to get 66. Now again, those are probably going to be in the same units. So if they were all in inches, this would be inches squared times another inch. This is now going to be inches cubed. And a lot of time volume is a cubic unit because it's 3 multiplication units. So it's the inches here, inches here, inches here. I multiplied 3 times to get my cubic inches. This process right here, the area of the base times the height, again, will always work. Does not matter if it's a square, rectangle, circle. You can find the area of the base. You can do this process. Keep track of your units. Volume is typically something cubed. And follow these steps and you'll answer those questions right every time.